I'm gonna show you step by step how to create A+ content for your KDP books using Canva completely for free and in a relatively short time. So firstly, let's go to Kindle Direct Publishing, then Marketing, and scroll down here to A+ content, choose the marketplace and click on Start Creating. Here, you should add the content name, which is in our example will be Body Measurements Logbook, and add model. So here there are different styles like standard company logo, comparison chart, and many other styles. However, I prefer the standard image header with text, as we can add one big picture. So I'm gonna add it here, and as you can see, we will need a 970 by 600 image. So let's go to Canva and enter the dimension, of course in pixel. So 970 by 600 and create new design. However, we can multiply both dimensions by 5, for example, and increase the quality of the image. So it will be 4800 by 3000. However, the original dimensions are fine. So here we should see different templates where we can choose one of them. So I choose this template. However, I'm gonna change the colors to match the colors of the cover design, which is here. And by the way, I have created a video on how I have created this cover design, which is I highly recommend you to watch. So I'm gonna copy and paste the code of the color. So here is the cover design for our book. Then to make it even more professional, I'm gonna go to Canva Color Wheel, which is a free tool, and I'm gonna paste the code of the blue color that I have used in the cover and choose this combination, analogous, which give me 3 different colors that can be together in the same template. So I'm gonna copy this one firstly, add it here to the background to be in the middle, then copy the second color and paste it here to the top element like this, and also the third color to this element in the bottom like this. So I don't think I will need these elements, so I'm gonna delete them. And as you can see now, the background, the blue colors combination look more professional and match the style of the cover design. And the colors are one of the most important elements on your designs and on your A+ content. So here I was trying different shadows effect to see which one is the best, and I think the glow effect is the best one. Maybe just increase the size and change the transparency and blur. Then I'm gonna add the text here, which should be a general sentence about my book that catch the customer and let them feel that yes, this book is what you are looking for. So for a body measurements logbook, I think it's very good idea to write, for example, keep track of your fitness goals with this body measurement tracker. And of course, adjust the text like the size, orientation, and I think it would be a good idea to put this color or this element behind the text to let it be clearer and emphasize the text written there. Maybe change the color, press Alt and drag to copy and paste like this to cover the whole text. Maybe reduce the size of the text of this part to be like this. And here I was trying different colors of the text to see which combination is the best. Try and change the line spacing until you say, wow, this looks amazing. Then click on duplicate page to create our second page of the A+ content. But on the second page, I'm gonna add the interior of my book plus a general feature or the main features that our book provide. So here is my interior added like this. Edit the image, show some shadow to the interior and duplicate it so it looks like a book from inside, right page and left page. Attach them like this. Yep, and change the position of these color to appear above the interior like this. And on the second page, I usually write the main features of my book. Like for example, in this body measurements tracker, the potential customer can keep track of their weight, waist, hips, chest, arms, and legs. So all of these do really exist in my book. So you should never ever think about lying or writing something that is not in your actual book, because that will give the customer a bad customer experience, and Jeff Bezos doesn't like that. So here the second page is ready, which show a main feature or the main features of this book, and what is left is the third and the final page, which gonna be about a specific feature of my book. So the first page of A plus content should be a general idea or sentence about the book. The second page should include the main features of your book and what the customer would expect. And on the third page, I usually put a specific feature in my book that maybe doesn't exist in all my competitors' books. So for example, on my book, I'm gonna write keep track of gains and loses, because my book include before and after feature. So I think that means that my book will provide them a chance to compare between before and the after, to compare the gains and the loses on each part of their bodies. So I'm gonna just adjust the text like this, and I'm gonna change the color of the gains to the green, and also the color of loses to the red, so it look better and more professional and eye-catchy for the customer like this. And maybe add an arrow like this one here, flip it like this to point to that specific feature. Maybe change the color, or is it better like this, or maybe a red? No, I think the black is the best, so it looks like it's coming from the box itself. So here we go, 3 pages for our A plus content. That looks amazing and increase the chance of getting more sales. So you should stick to one style for all your A plus content. Then I'm gonna download it as PNG, select all the pages and download. So here we go. Now I'm gonna drag the image to upload it to the model like this, but oops, file exceeds 3 MB limit. Oh my goodness. Does that mean that all my effort went for nothing? Of course no. So this is because we have added a huge and big image, so we can change the size and resize the project. However, this is a paid feature on Canva. However, it's still really easy to solve. So I'm gonna add 970 600 pixels design and just drag the same design to a different size. From here, from the projects, see all, and upload these pages to another size. So there is a 3 MB limit for each page uploaded to the A plus content. Maybe because we added many elements. However, that's okay. The quality will still be fine. So here is the first page uploaded. Here in the image keywords, we can describe what is in this page, like track your fitness goals, add the model. You can leave these headlines and body text blank, add the second model like this, which include the main features of this body measurement tracker. And also down here to the third module where I uploaded the specific feature like this. So here we can click on preview to see how the customer will see it on a desktop like this. Look how amazing is this. And we have created all these in a short time. And this is what it does look like from a mobile where most customers come from. I think that's look very, very attractive. So this A plus content area is like a free space where you can increase your chances of getting more sales and convince the customer to buy your book. Then you go here to next apply the ASIN number, and here you search for the number and add it to that specific book. So now you know how to create these A+ content pages that look professional and appealing. However, this will worth nothing if your cover design is not good enough. So to know how I have created this book cover from scratch using Canva for free in a short time, watch this video right here, where I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial.